Medicinal food for cataracts. There is increasing evidence to suggest that in some cases cataracts can actually be cured with proper nutritional therapy. However, the time required for such healing can be long, from 6 months to 3 years. Thorough cleaning of the system of toxic materials is essential. As a first step, it will be beneficial to undergo fasting therapy for 3 to 4 days with orange juice and water. Warm water enemas can be taken during this period. After this initial fast, a very strict diet should be followed for 2 weeks. In this way, breakfast can consist of oranges or grapes or other fresh fruit. A salad of raw vegetables, with olive oil and lemon juice, and soaked raisins, figs or dates should be eaten at lunch. Dinner may consist of vegetables such as spinach, fenugreek, moringa, cabbage, cauliflower, carrots, radishes, steamed in their own juice, and some nuts or fruit, such as apples, pears and grapes. Potatoes should not be consumed. No bread or other foods are added to this diet. After 2 weeks on this diet, cataract patients can start a more complete diet as follows. Breakfast. Any fresh fruit, except bananas. Lunch. Mostly raw vegetables, mixed salad with whole grain bread or chapati and butter. Dinner. 2 or 3 steamed vegetables, other than potatoes, with nuts and fresh fruit. A short fast followed by a restricted diet should be repeated 3 months after the start of treatment and again 3 months later, if necessary. The stomach should be cleaned daily with a warm water enema during fasting, and thereafter as needed. Patients should avoid white bread, sugar, cream, processed cereals, rice, boiled potatoes, puddings and pastries, strong tea or coffee, alcoholic beverages, condiments, pickles, sauces or any other so-called digestive aids.